Moving on, residents of Atwima Boko in the Atwima Kwanwoma District of the Ashanti Region staged a protest on their bad roads as President Akufo-Addo visited the area. They are displeased that a contractor working on the road upgrade only returned to the site due to the President's visit. According to the residents, they fear construction will stall again after the President's 4-day tour of the region.
No, I'm the way I salat and 10 Wahanamo.
Just see an equi. One of our cousin at 30 minutes, Musamma, Kaba, who plans here. Yet, Mijina was sad, but we were 7 o'clock on Opa. About 9 on Yaka. Kabia Ujana Boko was a Mukwanya, Boko was a Mukwanya. Yes, you have to a baby. So say any
was an Antanica, Omian and Antanica. And you saw Janica, the unpacking machines in this war. And another Janica of my yes, I saw an Antanica got that and man got that out from Macroba. Samba and Yamano from yeah, please be
taking the risk to do a lot of work here. I've almost finished all the bridges on the road. I've promised part of it. So I'm now waiting for the approval of the asphalting. Yeah, before maybe you can save for funding and then just come and lay the asphalt. As I speak to you, the normal completion time hasn't been given to me because the approval of the VO has not been given. The maximum, whether or not, I can finish it within the next 12 months. Everything will be finished.